So first, blue is the theme for these new colors. This one is sort of an azure blue. This one a little bit more metallic in what they're calling Pacific blue. A few little fun things, accessories. It now has a magnet right back here. So this is a wallet for your credit card. You can just put that right on there and it snaps on there, and it snaps on, and it's good to go. You can put your credit card, your ID in there, and then take it off if you don't want that.
And unfortunately, we only get one Apple sticker now instead of the usual two.
That's actually pretty clean. So it folds like this. Wait. So, yeah, here it is right here. So it should work. Okay. I think it should charge AirPods too, right? Yeah, it charges AirPods as well, if you guys can see that.